So just like yesterday, we're in Key West today, and we're gonna be going on a banana boat. So like, let me just show you that. It's right there. I'll just zoom it in just once to let you guys see. And we're gonna be going on that, and it's gonna go like wee. We're gonna be going there, and those are the boats. But we're probably not gonna go in one of those. Yeah, this is a Christmas tree, and I think it's dedicated to someone probably. So there's lots of people here. So yeah. But we're renting a private banana boat, so yeah, it's okay. And the restaurants are there, and it's just seafood. It's like nothing else, it's just seafood. They get the seafood from there, straight from there, if you see it, yeah. And we also got stuff from there, right? And there are bike rentals over there. Or people just park their bikes and I don't even know. And yeah, so we're also gonna be we might go on one of those boats, but like I said earlier, it's very unlikely. Yeah, and this is the plain ocean. And that's a hair comb you see right there. Huh. I'm just gonna tour you around this place without saying anything now. Heading back. So that's it for this video, and please make sure to check out my other videos, and yeah, bye.